How to fix Windows audio services not responding. 1. Restart the audio service. 2. Examine audio components. Say DCOM server process launcher, RPC endpoint mapper, remote procedure call, RPC. 3. Complete the following commands as admin, then reboot your PC. Add network service /netlocal group administrators. Add local service /netlocal group administrators. 4. Uninstall current audio. Drivers, then run the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.